your ultimate guide on creating a Meta business account. First, let's take an overview look at the importance of having a Meta business account for your business. Meta business accounts help you to centralize control, targeted advertising, data-driven decisions, effortless collaboration, and enhanced engagement. Step one, prepare your business information. Firstly, check that all your business information is correct and appropriate. Give your business name, physical address, phone number, etc. Be aware that you need to create professionalism by using a separate email for business purposes and portray your brand by uploading a suitable profile photo and cover photo. Step two, creating a Meta business account. Now, how do I open a Meta business account? Go to the Meta Business Manager site, provide your business name, and your designated business email, and click Create Account. Step three, add your business page. Claim your business page. Go to Business Settings, then go to Pages and tap on Add Page URL or Page Name. Step four, send an invitation to your team. Time to build your team. Go to Business Settings, then click on People. Add the email addresses of those individuals you want to invite. Provide roles to achieve effortless collaboration. Step five, set up an advertising account. Go to Business Settings and click on Accounts. Provide information about advertising accounts as well as assign roles here. Step six, create a pixel. This step is optional for website tracking. Install a pixel for more advanced tracking. In a Business Settings, data sources in a pixel, install the pixel code on the website under these listed entities. Step seven, set up business tools. Connect with Instagram accounts, WhatsApp business, etc., so as to increase outreach and efficiency. Finally, don't stop here. Meta offers a wealth of resources. Keep learning, keep exploring, stay ahead of the game with Meta's tutorials and guides.